Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I just filmed a bomb twist out look. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this twist out, then keep watching. so I'm back. My hair is fully dry. It's been a little over 24 hours, so I should be good to go. And I'm about to start taking down these twists. You can see they're so shrunk. This is the only thing I hate about being natural is length retention. I really want to get my twists down here when they're dry. But alright, so basically what I'm gonna do is just take some coconut oil and rub it on my hands. There's a lot of like controversy on coconut oil, but use whatever kind of oil works for you. I'm gonna use coconut oil because it's right here. So this is the kind of oil I'm gonna be using. It's by Shea Moisture, but if you do want to use coconut oil, you can use any kind of coconut oil. This is just my choice. So yeah, I'm going to rub it in my hands. Yeah. I'm just going to rub some oil on my twists so they don't like frizz up. Alright, and I'm just gonna start in the back like so. And usually when I take my twist down, I just really like to start from the bottom as close as possible. Then kind of unravel it like this. Alright. Look at that, y'all. These look good. I'm gonna do the other side before I start to manipulate the curls. Alright, so these are the curls before I start to separate them. I think they turned out really good, but let me separate. So I'm really feeling this. I love it. The color in the twist out is looking like so fire right now. But I think I'm gonna pick it a little bit, just a little bit. I say a little bit, but it might be a fro after this, so. All right, let me get my pick. All right, so I'm gonna start with the roots. The top roots, that is. We're only picking our roots. We don't want any of our curls to mess up. I also really love to pick the back of my hair. So sides. Basically all the parts that you really can't see. Because I don't care about those curls. Yeah. Here is the finished look.